Hi guys and welcome to Autocar India. Today we are driving the Volvo C40 Recharge, which is the car maker's second all-electric offering here in India. Now the C40 is based on the XC40 that's already on sale here, but it differs by having this swoopy SUV coupe rear end. Now this rear end not only helps the aesthetics but also boosts the aerodynamics and the battery range. So Volvo says the C40 gets a higher 520 kilometer range from its 78 kilowatt battery, which is substantially more than the XC40s. As you can see, this is the Recharge Twin, which means it gets a dual motor setup with all-wheel drive. Output stands at 408 horsepower and 660 Newton meters, which is almost sports car like. Now our opinions are embargoed, so I can't tell you much more about the C40 Recharge just yet, but tell us what you think of its looks down in the comments below.